Hi, I have a new BTS unboxing today. I'm super excited to get this open, so let's get to it. Okay, we got two little goodies. So there's this one and something in here. Oh wow, wonder what that is. And I got the Love Yourself tier version R. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. So go ahead and bring this camera down a little bit. Before I get to these items, I'll check out this right here. Oh goodness, this is so cute. Look at that. I like the little washi tape here. It's really pretty. And some little goodies in here. Little stickers. That's really cute. Oh my goodness. Adorable. Look at that. Oh. So cute. These little stickers. And then little papers you can use to leave notes. That's cute too. Oh, I like it. Little stationery. Like to send little thank you notes or whatever. So that was cute. Some little extras there. And this says, thank you for your purchase. I can't quite make this out because I'm looking through my camera. There's Tay. Ooh, more Tay. And R Jhope. All right. That was very nice. Little extras here, little photo pictures. Okay, so now I can go ahead and we can take a look at the items that I got. So he doesn't come in his little vinyl pop box, but I am so tickled to have this. I'm very excited and happy. It's a little R Jhope Vinyl Pop. Oh my gosh. This is the first vinyl pop I've ever owned. And he's so cute. Little Hobie. Little sunshine. He's adorable. Look at that. Standing there. See how good he stands. This is too cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I wonder if I can get R Jhope to stand and not fall over. Keep him in the video. Maybe I'll just lay him right there. Okay, so this is version R. And this is one I was missing from the Love Yourself tier version. I'm also missing Y and O, I believe. I think I have U. I could be wrong though. I need to look through my stuff. But anyways, had to have this because of the photo book And it comes with the poster. So that's a bonus. The poster's right here. And if you watched my videos prior, or if you subscribe to my channel, or, you know, if you haven't seen the video, maybe I can link it here in the description. Maybe even put the video at the end of the video up here with a photo card. Okay, I got the poster open. Let's take a look at this. Oh, my breath is taken away. Oh, it's my alt bias and my second bias. I love soap. So, yes. Oh my gosh. They look so freaking good. And Tay, oh my gosh. And JK, Jimin, Jin, and Namjoon. They all had their natural hair color for this shoot. All this lamb out right here. They are beautiful. I can't wait to put this up on my wall. My favorite photo shoot from Tier, other than I like the black and white photo shoot. And let me tell you, J-Hope is like, he's like a beautiful killer in that shoot as well. But anyways, yeah, the poster. Now, let's take a look at the photo book. There's the CD. Sure, it's in good condition. Yeah. Oh, I saw myself. Nah. Don't want to see myself. Put that back on there and just kind of move that out of the way. So we can look at this. I want to bring the camera down so we get a little bit of closer look together. Now, I don't have the photo card in here that I know of. It just comes with the notes, this little thing here. So I'll go ahead and get them out of the way. Okay, we're greeted with the first picture, which is exactly the same as the poster I just showed you. Trying to get my camera to focus, so apologies if it doesn't want to focus. Wow. Tay, Hobie, and JK all in one photo. There they are again. Oh, wow. Oh, Yoongi and Jimin, I mean. Jin and Namjoon, oh my gosh. There's Tay. Wow. Tay looks so good. Love them in the denim. Oh, Yoongi, so gorgeous. Wow. Oh, he's stunning. Oh my gosh, I would have been so happy if they made like posters out of this. There is JK looking like a baby in that picture. JK. So cute. Oh, my sunshine. Oh my gosh. Handsome. Oh, I love his little smile. He has the brightest smile ever when he really lets his smile shine. Looking good, Hobie. Jimin. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh wow. Work it, Jimin. Oh, look at this. Even sporting his brand of under attire. Wow, he's stunning. Oh my gosh, Jin, beautiful. He's WWH all the time. Oh, I just love this shoot. Wish the pictures were a little bit bigger, like full page. Namjoon, oh my gosh. Oh, he looks so cute. Wow. Oh, I'd love to have PCs of like these individual shots. Oh, I think they did do those too. I have to hunt those down. He looks so good in white denim. They look good in all colors of denim. And there's the lyrics, credits, and stuff like that. I'm not missing anything else. It's just, yeah, that's the end of it. So that was my unboxing today for new BTS items that I got. So I'm happy with getting version R with the poster. I didn't get the little plastic special display thing. I already have it. I got it with another edition, the other version, I mean, of Love Yourself here. And here's my little cute vinyl pop of R Jhope. Oh, he's moving. He's alive. Of course he is. Of course he is. Okay. So yeah, that's all cute. Love it. This is some adorable little stationery and stickers with some PCs of the boys. And so yeah, this was my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Comment below. My budgie is really excited right now. And what else? Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I have to make a correction. This is JK, Jungkook, Tae. I think that's Jin. It's hard for me to tell. And then Baseline from Hope World, R Jhope.